If your knees hurt when you squat, run or walk, I'm about to tell you something that no one's ever told you before, and something that might piss off a lot of physical therapists. Your knees are fine. It's everything around them that's broken. Most people think that knee pain is a knee problem, so they focus all of their efforts on strengthening the knee, stretching the knee, protecting and bubble wrapping the knee. But your knee, it is a hostage. It's trapped between your hip and your ankle, and it has zero control over what happens to it. If your foot collapses, your knee pays the price. If your hip drops, your knee pays the price. Your knee is just the middle manager getting blamed for everyone else's mistakes. I'm Vanya, and I've helped over 180,000 people eliminate knee pain without ever touching the knee. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why your knee hurts, how to test yourself right now, and the 3 movements that fix your knees for good. Let me quickly tell you something about the knee, and it's really important that you understand this. The knee itself is what we call a consequential joint. It is literally stuck in the middle between your hip and your ankle. If we change things down here at the foot, we put torque on the knee. If we change things up here at the hip, we change the forces at the knee. And the knee has no say in it. That means yours doesn't either. So if the knee is the victim, who is torturing it? Well, there are 3 criminals, and at least one of them, probably all 3 of them, are destroying your knees as we speak. Criminal number 1 is the foot. If you have overpronation, where your foot rolls in too much, or oversupination, where it rolls out, all of that changes position at the knee. Every step you take, you are transmitting unstable forces up into that knee joint. And over time, that wears the knee down. That creates inflammation, and that creates your pain. Criminal number 2 is the ankle. If your ankle is unstable, and most people's are, every time that you stand on one leg, which you do every time you take a step, that ankle wobbles. And every wobble, that is instability shooting straight up into your knee. Criminal number 3 is the hip. This is the big one. If your hip drops out to the side when you stand on one leg, that's a sign of massive weakness in the glute medius, which is this muscle right here. When this muscle is weak, your hip collapses. And when your hip collapses, your knees cave in. That's where the pain comes from. All right, stop what you're doing, stand up. I'm going to show you in 10 seconds why your knees hurt. Stand on one leg right now. Don't think about it, just do it. Now watch and observe. Is your hip dropping to the side? Is your knee caving inward? Is your ankle wobbling? If you saw any of that, and you probably did, that is the problem. It is not your knees, it is that. And here's the good news, we can fix it. The 3 movements that I'm about to show you will eliminate your knee pain forever. Not by strengthening your knees, but by fixing the criminals. Movement number 1 is barefoot balance. Take your shoes off, stand on one leg, and with your other leg, draw the alphabet in the air. This forces the muscles in your foot and your ankle to stabilize. You're going to do this for 2 to 3 minutes per side 3 times a week. You'll feel those intrinsic foot muscles start to burn, and that's exactly what we want. Do this for 30 days and you'll never roll your ankle again. Your foot will grip the ground like it's supposed to, and your knee will finally stop taking the beating. Movement number 2, single leg RDL with foot activation. Stand on one leg, hinge forward like you're picking up something off the ground. As you come up, I want you to clench your foot like you're making a fist with your toes. Drive through that hip, squeeze the ground. This teaches your foot, ankle, and hip to work together the way that they're supposed to. You're going to do 10 reps per side for 3 sets. Master this movement and you will never have knee pain going up the stairs again, because your entire leg will finally work as a system instead of 3 separate parts fighting each other. And movement number 3 is the hip bump. You're going to stand next to a wall, lean against it. Now let your hip drop out, get lazy. Now squeeze that outside glute and drive your hip back to the center. You should feel a cramping sensation in the side of your hip. That's your glute medius finally waking up. You're going to do 10 reps per side for 2 to 3 sets. Do this 3 times a week. If you fix this one muscle, this one weak, dormant muscle, your knee pain is going to disappear. Not in months, but in weeks. I've seen it happen thousands of times. Because here's what the fitness industry won't tell you. Knee pain is almost never a knee problem. It is a movement problem. It is a stability problem. It is the kind of problem where you've been sitting for 12 hours a day and your body forgot how to move. So you don't need knee sleeves, you don't need surgery, you don't need to stop squatting. You need to fix how you move. Do these 3 movements for 30 days. That's it. Your knee pain will disappear. Not because I'm a genius, but because you finally fixed the actual problem. And if you want the complete system, the exact routines, progressions, and assessments that I use with over 180,000 students, the Mobility Toolkit is in the description. It has helped everyone from 70-year-olds to professional athletes move pain-free. It will work for you. Your knees are not broken, they're just being tortured. So set them free today, and I'll see you in the next video.